Respect is not always about being the loudest voice in the room. In fact, quiet individuals often command a unique kind of respect through their actions, demeanor, and presence. If you're someone who prefers a quieter approach to life, you can still earn the respect of others in powerful and authentic ways. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore personality development and psychology. Today, let's uncover how to make people respect you even if you're quiet. 1. Confidence in your quietness. Quietness is not a weakness. It can be a strength. Embrace your quiet nature with confidence. People are drawn to those who are comfortable in their own skin. When you project self-assuredness, others will respect you for being true to yourself. Being confident in your quietness means not feeling pressured to change who you are to fit in. Instead, focus on leveraging your strengths, such as being a good listener or a thoughtful observer. Confidence shines through in many forms, and being comfortable with your quiet demeanor is a powerful way to gain respect. Number 2. Active listening. One of the most underrated skills in communication is active listening. When you truly listen to others, it shows that you value their thoughts and opinions. This can earn you a great deal of respect, as people appreciate being heard and understood. Active listening involves paying full attention to the speaker, making eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully. By listening more and speaking less, you can gather valuable insights and build stronger connections with others, which in turn earns their respect. 3. Mastering nonverbal communication. Nonverbal cues can speak volumes, especially when you're quiet. Your body language, facial expressions, and eye contact can convey confidence, attentiveness, and respect for others. These signals can help you communicate effectively without saying much. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use gestures that show you are engaged in the conversation. A firm handshake, a warm smile, or a nod of agreement can all contribute to how others perceive and respect you. Number 4. Choosing your words wisely. When you do speak, make your words count. Quiet people often have the advantage of being perceived as thoughtful and deliberate. Use this to your benefit by speaking clearly, concisely, and with purpose. By choosing your words wisely, you can make a significant impact without needing to say much. Thoughtful and meaningful contributions to conversations are often more respected than a barrage of words. Number 5. Demonstrating competence. Competence is a surefire way to earn respect. Let your skills and abilities speak for themselves. Whether it's in your professional life, hobbies, or personal endeavors, showing that you are knowledgeable and capable will earn you respect from others. Focus on excelling in your areas of interest and expertise. Your quiet confidence combined with demonstrated competence will naturally command respect and admiration from those around you. 6. Maintaining integrity. Integrity is foundational to respect. Being honest, ethical, and reliable will earn you the trust and respect of others, regardless of how quiet you are. People respect those who stand by their principles and values. Always strive to do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Keep your promises and be consistent in your actions. Integrity builds a strong reputation that others will respect and value. 7. Setting boundaries. Setting and maintaining boundaries is crucial for earning respect. Quiet individuals may sometimes find it challenging to assert themselves, but it's important to communicate your limits clearly and respectfully. By setting boundaries, you demonstrate self-respect and teach others to respect your time, space, and needs. Whether it's saying no to additional work or needing quiet time to recharge, being firm but polite about your boundaries will earn you respect. 8. Building strong relationships. Focus on building genuine, strong relationships with others. Quality over quantity is key here. By developing deep, meaningful connections, you create a network of people who respect and support you. Invest time in getting to know others and allowing them to know you. Share your thoughts and feelings with those you trust. Strong relationships are built on mutual respect and understanding. 9. Staying calm under pressure. Remaining calm and composed, especially in stressful situations, can earn you a lot of respect. People admire those who can keep their cool and think clearly under pressure. Practice stress management techniques, such as deep breathing, meditation, or mindfulness, to help maintain your composure. Your ability to stay calm and collected will inspire confidence and respect in others. Number 10. Leading by example. Actions speak louder than words. Leading by example is a powerful way to earn respect. Whether you're in a leadership position or not, your behavior can influence others. Demonstrate the qualities you want to see in others, such as hard work, dedication, kindness, and respect. By setting a positive example, you naturally inspire others to respect you and follow your lead. 11. Valuing silence. Silence can be a powerful tool. It allows you to think before you speak and ensures that your contributions are meaningful. People often respect those who don't feel the need to fill every silence with words. Value your own silence and use it strategically. Silence can also encourage others to share more, creating a balanced and respectful exchange of ideas. 12. Being authentic. Authenticity is key to earning respect. Be true to who you are and don't try to be someone you're not. People are drawn to authenticity and respect those who are genuine. Share your true thoughts and feelings, even if they differ from the majority. Authenticity fosters trust and respect because it shows that you are honest and real. Conclusion: being quiet doesn't mean you can't command respect. By embracing your quiet nature, listening actively, demonstrating competence and integrity, and leading by example, you can earn the respect of those around you. Remember, actions often speak louder than words, and your quiet strength can leave a lasting impression. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. How have you earned respect as a quiet person? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.